Nano-nuclear energy is making waves in the nuclear energy sector. Except this time we're not talking about regulatory approvals or technological advancement. As of late, they've brought on board major additions to their team, such as the appointment of Rick Perry, former U.S. Secretary of Energy and 47th Governor of Texas, as the chairman of its Executive Advisory Board. This esteemed board, comprising high-level military, scientific, and governmental experts, will provide invaluable industry knowledge and connections to Nano-Nuclear's senior management. Governor Perry's extensive experience in public service, including his tenure as Secretary of Energy from 2017 to 2019, makes him the perfect fit to lead Nano-Nuclear's Executive Advisory Board. He has been a longtime advocate for nuclear power, recognizing its potential for stable, safe, and efficient clean energy. Perry is impressed by Nano-Nuclear's cutting-edge microreactor designs and commercial strategy, and he's honored to join and lead the Executive Advisory Board. JU, founder and chairman of Nano-Nuclear, is delighted to welcome Governor Perry, citing his thoughtful leadership, in-depth knowledge of U.S. energy infrastructure, and understanding of America's energy needs. James Walker, Chief Executive Officer, echoes this sentiment, highlighting Perry's alignment with Nano-Nuclear's mission and the value of his relationships built during his decades in public service. John Vonglis, Nano-Nuclear's Executive Director of Global Government Affairs, who previously served under Governor Perry at the U.S. Department of Energy, welcomes the opportunity to serve with him again, recognizing the importance Perry places on retaining America's primacy in energy. With Governor Perry at the helm, Nano-Nuclear is poised to drive innovation in nuclear energy technology, advancing its vision to become a vertically integrated leader in the nuclear power sector. His expertise will be instrumental in guiding the company's efforts to demonstrate, construct, and license its reactor programs and other nuclear technology. Not too long ago, NNE also appointed Seth Burrell, Ph.D., a renowned technology executive, to its board of directors as an independent director. Dr. Burrell brings nearly 2 decades of high-level industry and government experience to Nano-Nuclear's leadership. With a career spanning cutting-edge technology, applied research, and government programs, Dr. Burrell is currently the Global GTM, Government Technology's Chief Technologist at Intel Corporation. He has also served as Deputy Chief Data Officer at the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, where he led the enterprise data technology strategy harnessing data and artificial intelligence to drive operational results. Dr. Burrell's technical expertise is impressive, covering data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and more. He has contributed to projects sponsored by various government agencies, including the U.S. Army, Navy, Air Force, and NASA. His experience in government and business operations, combined with his deep technical expertise in large-scale data, AI, and quantum computing, make him exceptionally positioned to add value to Nano-Nuclear. Dr. Burrell is excited to join Nano-Nuclear, citing the company's remarkable progress in advanced nuclear technology and its potential to drive further innovation. He believes the outlook for nuclear power is increasingly favorable, with strong tailwinds from institutional investors and U.S. government priorities. JU, founder and chairman of Nano-Nuclear, welcomes Dr. Burrell to the board of directors, praising his background and expertise. James Walker, Chief Executive Officer, echoes this sentiment, highlighting Dr. Burrell's extensive experience at the DOE and within the private technology sector. They both believe Dr. Burrell's insights will be invaluable as Nano-Nuclear accelerates development, navigates regulatory pathways, and expands its market presence. With Dr. Burrell's appointment, Nano-Nuclear continues to solidify its leadership in the advanced nuclear technology industry. His addition marks another milestone in growing the technical and business know-how of Nano-Nuclear's leadership, and his expertise will undoubtedly contribute to the company's next phase of growth. Dr. Burrell's impressive credentials include a Ph.D. and an M.A. in experimental atomic physics from the University of Virginia, as well as dual degrees in electrical engineering and physics from Old Dominion University. His appointment is a testament to Nano-Nuclear's commitment to excellence and its pursuit of innovative solutions in nuclear energy technology. Then Matthew Berry, a seasoned communications and capital markets professional, has joined the company as Director of Investor Relations. With over 10 years of experience in accounting, equity research, and investor relations, Matt is the perfect fit to lead Nano Nuclear's efforts in connecting with and informing its growing investor base. Matt's impressive background includes stints at Deloitte, H.C. Wainwright, Cowen & Company, and Veeco Instruments, where he honed his skills in auditing, equity research, and investor relations. His experience in developing complex financial models and analyzing industry trends will be invaluable in his new role. At Veeco, he successfully developed an in-house investor targeting program and attracted investment from long-term oriented investors. Matthew is excited to join Nano Nuclear, citing the company's remarkable achievements, including being the top-performing initial public offering in the U.S. in 2024. He believes in the company's mission and is committed to keeping shareholders informed and aligned with the company's long-term vision. Jay Yu, founder and chairman of Nano Nuclear, and James Walker, chief executive officer, are thrilled to welcome Matt to the team, praising his background and expertise in investor relations. With Matt on board, Nano Nuclear is set to strengthen its dialogue with shareholders and broaden market awareness. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.